Welcome parents and students to another lesson from Mr. Veszpeller. This one is Unit 1, Lesson 13. Otherwise it's Lesson 1.13. And this is being recorded live from a studio audience. I have a room full of students here. I'm going to try to record it while they're taking notes. All right, the instructions are: write an equation and solve the problem. Pablo hung his watercolor paintings in an array with 3 rows and 4 columns. How many paintings did Pablo hang? If we're using the cubes method of word problems, we circle the numbers 3 and 4. We underline the question. They want to know how many paintings did Pablo hang. So we're trying to find the total. Important terms are array, so I know I'm going to draw an array, and then rows and columns also tells me it's an array. Paintings, I'm going to box that because that's my label. So in an array, if I have 3 rows and 4 columns, that means the total, that means I'm going to multiply the 2 outside values. I'm going to multiply the 3 and the 4. The picture is pretty small on the screen. I don't think I can help you with that. Because I'm just do your best. Students, if you can't see it on the screen, then you can log in to YouTube tonight. All right, so we have the 2 outside dimensions. We need the total in the middle, so we multiply. If we had a total and we're missing one of the outside dimensions, we would divide, wouldn't we?
Yes.
So it's 3 rows of 4. And you can either skip count by 3 or skip count by 4, or you could draw it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's 12. And then the paintings is the label. Okay. Next, a group of 7 friends went on a hiking trip. Each means multiply or divide. Each person took 3 granola bars. Question: what's the total number of granola bars? What total number of granola bars did the friends take? So we're looking for a total. So this is a equal groups. There's 7 friends, and each one has 3. So we can draw an equal groups. And we're looking for a total. So it's 7 groups of 3. There's 7 friends. And the group size is 3. So 7 groups of 3 equals 21. What is the total number of granola bars? So box the title. The label is granola bars. John had 45 sheets of construction paper. Sounds like they're giving us the total, right, class?
Yes.
He used 9 sheets to make paper snowflakes. Question: how many sheets does he have now? Oh, there's no each, is there?
No.
Which operation class are we going to use? We have a total, and then this word used, let's box that.
Division.
No, are we dividing it into small groups? No, he took away 9 sheets from the total. So it's 45.
Divided by 9.
Nope, it's subtraction because he had 45 sheets. He used 9 to make paper snowflakes. Look at the question. How many does he have now? How many does he have left? It's not dividing it up into groups of 9. It's just taking it away from the total. So I know that there's 5 groups of 9 and 45. If I took away one of the 9s, I only have 36. 36 sheets left. Do you see that? It's one of the 9s taking away from 45. So now there's 36. All right. You can combine multiplication that you know to find multiplication that you don't know. So find this product. 5 times 8, class. We just count by 5 8 times. It's what? 40. 1/8, that's simple. 1/8 is 8. So if we combine them, what's 40 plus 8? Class?
48.
48. So use answers to exercise 4 and 5 to find this product. 6 times 8 is 48. How do we get to 6? We combine the 5 and the 1.
5 and the 1.
The 8 stayed the same because that's the size of the group. 5 groups of 8, 1 group of 8. The size of the group stayed the same. The only thing that changed is the number of groups. Here we had only 5 8s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1 more. And the size of the group was 8. That doesn't change. So altogether there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 8s. I don't know what 6 8s is, but I know what 5 8s is. That's 40. And of course I know what 1/8 is, and that's 8. 40 plus 8 equals 48.
48.
So that's how you can combine facts that you know with fact, and then to find the answer to a fact that you don't know. All right, on the back side, try this at home. 1 and 2. This is more of the combining of the two groups. This is an equal shares group. We have 8 groups of 4. I don't know what 8 groups of 4 is, but I know what 7 groups of 4 is and 1 group of 4. 7 groups of 4 is 28. 1 group of 4 is 4. If we add the 2, it's 32. So we put 32 up here. So 7 times 4 and 1 times 4, then add the answers. That's what we did. 7 times 4 is 28. And then 1 times 4 is 4. So we add the 2 together, and then we get 32. Find 8 times 4. Did you get the same answer as in exercise 3?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Find the area. Now we find the area. Area is when you multiply 2 outside numbers. Find the area of this large, look at this. This is the large rectangle. By finding the area of the 2 small rectangles. This is small here, and this is small here. So if we find this one, add it to this one, we find this big one. Okay? So first we do the small one. 3, remember we multiply the outside dimensions.
Yes, Mr. Veszpeller.
3 times 5 is
15.
15. Go ahead, just call it out. So 3 times 5 equals 15 square units. And then we add it to 2 times, oh, there's nothing here. But I know it says 3 because that's a 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, so let's keep it the same. Equals 6 square units. So 15 plus 6, 5 plus 6 is 11. Regroup. 1 plus 1 is 2. So it's 21 square units. 15 plus 6 is 21. Here's 15, and this one is 6. We add the 2 together, we get 21 square units. Find the area of this large one by multiplying. See how the 7 stretches from this corner to that corner? So it's 3 times 7. Is 3 times 7 21? Yes.
Yes.
It's 21 units. Watch this. Squared. That's another way of saying area. All right. Let's not do this one. All right. So you can just skip problem. And guess what? It's recess time. We're done. Thanks for joining our homework time. This will be on YouTube.
Can I finish it?
We'll see you tomorrow.